Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. For some reason this is not making me happy, and I've got plenty of blooms that make me happy, but this isn't one of them. So we're going to mess around. I'm going to use some periwinkle. I'm going to use whatever strikes my fancy at the time. Some blue velvet. Wow, it's time to make some more blue velvet. Little frozen. Indigo, perfect indigo. And I made up a whole bunch of jasmine. And because I can, I'm going to put some orange crush in there. Another color I need to make more of immediately. That could be crazy. That might have been a mistake. Anyway, mistake or no mistake, what else am I going to do? I'm going to just give myself permission to throw a little bit of Anita's white metallic in there. What I want to do is throw some black in, but what I'm going to do is, no, I'm going to save that. Tickled Pink Alizarin Rose, Vivid Intense. Just a little bit. We got to start somewhere. I still want some gold. And then I'm going to use some cell activator. Whether it's a good idea or not, I'm not sure. And I had purple right where? Purple's right here. This always works. You know what? I'm going to spread that around first. I still want some darker purple. I must have some darker purple. Oh, I do. Deep amethyst. In that case, scratch the purple cell activator and go for the cobalt turquoise Atelier. I could have probably used some gold. I don't promise not to cover this entire thing up and completely. But I don't promise not to leave some things showing through, like I kind of like this. Now that I've got a feel for what I want to do. More frozen, mostly because I have a lot of it. I don't know if I can get any of this wintergreen to come out, but I'm going to try. Maybe we'll do something with the purple this time. It's all instinct at this point. That was Fandango. Oh, that's not what I had in mind. I went to grab the triple sec and grab the Mystique instead. I'm going to just take my chances, and if I hate it, I'll fix it. Hopefully. Now, I'm going to wipe that off. And I said I was going to use purple, so purple I will use. I'm going to do the same thing I just did to start the other one. Let the colors go back. And meld a little bit. For some reason I'm being called to Dancing Fuchsia. There, I like that together. Now the purple is old and liquidous and almost out, but it works unfailingly. Oh, I'm really close to being out. I wouldn't actually mind if some flowers showed through, like that just did. I might want to do that more. Just drag some of the colors. Because that's kind of neat. Oh good, I've got color on my spatula I can get rid of on the canvas. And I'm going to use a silicone tool to get rid of the rest of the paint on my spatula so I don't have to wipe it off. And I can use it. And I can let things show through. That is neat. But it's making me want both saffron and pink carnation, which I know I need to shake. And maybe even some orange crush. And since I have the Dancing Fuchsia open, although I want something much lighter pink, I'm going to grab this Tickled pink as soon as I get the little tab off the top. Time to put my spatula down. Always good when it doesn't wind up on the floor. Boy, I've mixed a color or two every day for a while, and there's still a lot left. I'm thinking Whispering Wisteria. I still got it. Now I found a blue cell activator, and I also have what's left of my blue flame. I'm thinking I'm going back to the turquoise cell activator because I really like how that looks. I need to go on this side. Maybe I'll use, if I can get a few more drops of the purple out, maybe I'll do that as well. I could use gold. Depends on if I opened it or not. It's a Pebeo iridescent and Atelier rich gold. Now, it wouldn't hurt my feelings to leave this flower in the corner because it looks kind of neat. And I've got other flowers I could leave around the edge here. Although that one seems to need something. And I've got paint on my spatula I'm willing to get off on the canvas. I want to blow some stuff around. Which of course instantly destroyed my cells. That I had liked there. Now you can mix colors that don't go well together or don't mix well together as long as you're hitting them very quickly and not overworking them. I'm going to go in for the Dancing Fuchsia because I see it, whoa, because I see a puddle of paint. Right there. I was really tempted a second ago to use some black. Not sure I'm over it yet. I like the little things that are poking through, the little bits of green and stuff. And I do actually have a nail art tool, and I might indulge myself in that if I can lay my hands on it quickly enough. It should be right here, but it's not. But I have several. They're just all a little different. Never sure if I'm going to like what's showing. I'm not sure I like that. More Dancing Fuchsia. Maybe I could use black cell activator. That might be kind of cool. And a little acetate tool. Maybe right there in that black. I might put some white in or some gold in over here. I'm not sure yet. Sorry about my head. Seems like there was a cat hair there. That's way thick. That's not really working out. It doesn't mean I can't make it work out. So I can bounce the eye back and forth. I've got some much thinner cell activator. I'm going to have to add some more Floetrol to that. For some reason it thickened right up. Generally, I like most of what's going on here, though, a lot, and I might be ready to call it done pretty quick. And even if the patterns from behind show through, I'd still be okay with that. That one little flower that needed some help. And I forget I can always add spirals. Well, maybe not always, but if the paint is heavy enough. Anyway, that's a cover-up. And that is my finger that I'm going to cover some more up with. And I don't mind what's poking through from behind. I still wish I had my nail art tool. The one, my favorite one. But I can use an alternative, I think. Where was I looking? You never know, by using something different I might find a new favorite. I found a puddle of paint that needed to be thinned out. and steal a little bit of it. No, don't like that. Not sure what I'm doing, but I'm trying to finish up. Not unhappy with that. Trying to be kind of subtle so I don't ruin anything magnificently. But I think that's it. And I'm going to torch really quickly. And anything that needs a little finger full of paint is going to get it. I've got some nice cells. I've also got this beautiful little blob of dancing fuchsia right there. Which now looks like some sort of impressionist flower. Which is okay. From lots of buds to minimal buds. The colors are fantastic. And if it hadn't turned out really well, I would have just kept going. A vast improvement for me. I'm happy. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My created playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.